Have you ever seen a mountain and wondered what lies behind it? Have you ever dreamt of crossing it and reaching the other end of the rainbow? Is it humanly even possible? What if the other end doesn't even exist and is a fragment of your wildest dreams? And what if the other end takes you to a world, a landscape of your same imagination? Take my hand through the gushing winds, through the icy glacial streams. Take a step to remember for a lifetime, as every step ahead will introduce you to some adrenaline junkies like you, to moments that will always be stored inside your subconscious, to moments you'll always be proud of, to India's most sought after crossover trek, Hampta Pass.